Did you know that people are making a full-time income just by uploading videos on YouTube? And here's the twist. You don't even need millions of subscribers to start earning. In fact, creators with small but loyal audiences are making thousands every single month. Want to know how? Stick around, because I'm going to show you exactly how to earn money on YouTube in 2025. Here's the truth. YouTube is not just a video platform. It's one of the biggest money-making machines on the internet. But most beginners think the only way to make money is through ads. Wrong. Ads are just the beginning. In 2025, there are multiple income streams you can tap into, and I'll break them down one by one. First, AdSense. Once you join the YouTube Partner Program with 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can earn from ads that play on your videos. The amount varies, but channels in niches like finance, tech, and business earn the most per view. This is the foundation of YouTube income. Second, affiliate marketing. This is where the real money starts. You promote products in your niche, add affiliate links in your description, and earn a commission whenever someone buys through your link. For example, a faceless tech channel can review gadgets and earn hundreds in affiliate sales without showing their face. Third, sponsorships. Once your channel builds an audience, brands will pay you directly to promote their products. Even a channel with just 10,000 subscribers can start landing sponsorships if it's in the right niche. And unlike ads, sponsors pay up front, sometimes thousands of dollars for a single video. Fourth, merchandise and digital products. YouTube lets you sell merch right under your videos. But here's the big secret. Digital products like ebooks, courses, or templates have almost zero costs and 100% profit margins. Many creators earn more from digital products than ads. And finally, memberships, Patreon, and super thanks. These allow your audience to support you directly every month. Think of it as fan-powered income. Combine this with ads, sponsors, and affiliates, and you've built a real business from YouTube. So there you have it. 5 proven ways to make money on YouTube in 2025. Start with one method, then layer the others over time. Remember, YouTube rewards consistency, creativity, and patience. If this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more creator hacks, and tell me in the comments, which income stream will you try first?